So now this is substitution part 2. We continue from your last substitution video, right? So find the value of the following algebraic expressions when a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and y is equal to 5. Let's look at a. I have it all worked out here already, but we'll take it step by step. So 2a plus y take away b. Remember, when you have a number and a letter attached together, it's the same as saying 2 multiplied by a, then we're adding y, then we're taking away b. So let's substitute our values. Wherever we see a, we're going to put 3. So 2 by 3, y is 5, so plus 5, and then b is, so take away b, which is, so we will get 6 plus 5 minus 2. And 6 plus 5 is 11, and we take away 2, we will get 9. That's 3a squared. Now, again, this is the same as saying 2 times y squared plus 3 times a. Now, what you need to remember is that when you have, for example, y squared, that is the same as saying y times y. Any number or letter squared is a number or letter multiplied by itself. So a squared will be a times a, right? So now you could write it out like this then, 2 times y plus 3 times a, or you could do it like this as well. 2 times y is what? Y is 5, so that will be 5 squared plus 3 times a squared, which is 3 squared. So 2 times 5 squared is 5 by 5, which is 25, plus 3 times 3 squared, and then you just simplify. So 2 times 25 is 50, and plus 3 times 9 is 27, and you get your answer of 77. And then lastly here, in this one, C, 7y take away 4a minus 2b. So you see how I did it here? 7 times y take away 4 times a take away 2 times b, right? So replace your y with the 5, so we get 7 times 5 minus 4 times a, which is 3, so 4 times 3, and then minus 2 by 2, because b is 2, right? And it just simplified, and we will get 19. As always, these are questions for you to try. Pause the video, try them, and then press play when you are ready for the answers. So let's look at the first one. Given that a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 8, calculate the value of a squared plus b all over c minus b. Now you need to remember a squared is the same as a by a, right? Good. So plus b all over c minus b. So let's replace our values now. A is 6, so plus our b value is what? Minus 4. So let's put in the minus 4 all over c take away b. So c is 8 and minus 4. Good. So you see how we have some minus signs and some plus signs here. So let's look at this. 6 by 6 is 36. Now remember, when you have a plus and a minus, that's going to give me minus, right? And then here we have 8. A minus by a minus is a plus. So we will get 32 over 12, right? You can simplify this if you want to divide by 2 top and bottom. You could also divide by, if you divide by 2 here and 2 here, we will get 16 over 6. You could also divide by 2 again to make it a little simpler, and you will get 8 over 3. If you leave your answer as 32 over 12, that's totally fine, right? Alright, let's get the last number 2 here, June 2015. A is 4, B is 2, and C is negative 1. Find the value of A take away B plus C. So the value of A is 4, take away B, which is 2, minus 1. Again, you see how we have the plus and the minus together, that gives me a minus, and put back your 1 there. So 4 take away 2 is 2, 2 take away 1 is 1. And let's look at part 2 at the side here. We have 2a to the power b. 2a is 4 to the power of b, b is 2. So we have 2 by brackets 4 squared. Work out your brackets first. You know that 4 squared is 4 by 4. So this is really 2 by 16, 32, right? Take your time, take your thing, replay the video, replay the questions, and try it again. Any questions, feel free to ask.